Let's explore a fundamental concept in regular expressions, the dot metacharacter. The dot, represented by a period symbol, is a special character that matches any single character except for a newline character. Think of it as a wildcard that stands in for almost any character. Here's a simple example to demonstrate how the dot works. Consider the pattern C.T. This pattern will match any three-character sequence that starts with C, ends with T, and has any character in between. So it will match cat, cut, cot, C3T, and even C at T. The dot is versatile and can represent letters, numbers, or symbols. It's important to know the exception. The dot does not match the newline character. The newline character is used to indicate the end of a line. Therefore, the pattern C.T will not match C newline T, multi-line text, or line breaks. Let's look at a practical Python example using the re module, which is Python's built-in regular expression library. We import the re module. We define a pattern C.T. We define a text string that includes the words cat, cut, cot, and C3T. Then we use the findAll function from the re module to find all the matches of our pattern in the text. Finally, we print the list of matches. As output, you can see the Python code finds cat, cut, cot, and C3T. You can also use multiple dots in a row to match multiple characters. For instance, the pattern A will match any sequence that starts with A, followed by any two characters, and ends with B. This pattern would match strings like a 12B, AXYB, a add at B, and a space B. Sometimes you might want to match an actual dot character instead of using it as a wildcard. To do this, you need to escape the dot using a backslash. So the pattern backslash will specifically look for a period character. This is useful when you need to match things like file names, decimal numbers, or domain names. For example, the pattern backslash dot would match file.txt 3.14 and www.example.com. It would not match filixt, because we are specifically looking for the dot symbol. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.